Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Infiniti Q50 Hybrid. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Infiniti prioritized comfort and style by including power front seats, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.